Today we're chopping trees down in Animal Crossing New Horizons. I need to buy a flimsy axe. Alright, let's go and chop these bad trees down. Alright, now we're outside, now we're going to chop some trees down. So I need my axe, I do. My flimsy one. Let's do this. Okay. Last hammer. Alright. I've already chopped that ending. Already chopped that one down. Oh, not this one either. Come on. How many trees have I actually chopped down? Picking up, I'm just going to pick up all this wood. Just picking up some wood. Da 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 da. Okay. I'll chop this one with the apples though. You have got to be joking! My flimsy axe is broken! Oh! Honestly. God, why does things keep breaking? Honestly. Now I haven't got an axe. Thanks for watching. Bye!